Let's get you breaking updates of the Congress CEC meeting that's currently underway. Decisions are likely on the Haryana state as well as Himachal seats. So discussions are currently underway. Top leaders of the Congress party, the CEC meeting that's underway with discussions going on Haryana as well as Himachal and Punjab. Punjab, in fact, will be discussed tomorrow. And we've also accessed the inside details of the discussions that are currently underway within the Congress party. Vikramaditya Singh is likely to be fielded. My colleagues Niyamika and Rajita are joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, what are the names that are going to be discussed? Get us the inside scoop on the names that have been decided. As of now, we could see a big contest in Mandi, with sources suggesting that Vikramaditya Singh could be fielded.
Well, absolutely, as this information is which we have gathered from the AICC headquarters, as just now the Himachal Congress CEC meeting has concluded, and after the meeting, the sources who have been present there inside the CEC meeting have told Times Now exclusively that 2 names have been finalized out of the 4 Lok Sabha seats in the Himachal Pradesh, and for that reason Vikramaditya's name has been finalized by the Congress CEC for the seat of Mandi, as he is going to contest against Kangana Ranaut. And the other name which is being finalized in today's CEC is Vinod Sultanpuri, whose name has been finalized from the seat of Shimla. So it is going to be a very interesting contest in the upcoming days for the Lok Sabha elections, where Vikramaditya Singh is going to contest against Kangana Ranaut, as it is going to be a contest between the royalty versus the celebrity. And for that reason, earlier also we have seen that how Pratibha Singh's name was also getting considered by the Congress High Command to contest on this particular seat. However, Pratibha Singh had already clarified it to the Congress High Command that she doesn't want to contest the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. She wants to be focused on the upcoming by-polls which are being there in the Himachal Pradesh Congress, and this message was being cleared by Pratibha Singh before the Congress High Command for that reason. And that's the reason why the coordination committee which was being constituted for the Himachal Pradesh Congress had again held a meeting in which the discussion had taken place regarding the survey which was being conducted by the Congress party in Himachal Pradesh. And for that reason, the survey reports had suggested that it would be much better if Vikramaditya Singh would contest against Kangana Ranaut, and that's the reason why in today's CEC meeting, Vikramaditya's name has been finalized by the Congress High Command to contest from the Mandi constituency in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections.
Okay, all right. Stay with us. Ranjita is also on the broadcast with us. There were a lot of discussions on who could be fielded against Kangana Ranaut, especially after Pratibha Singh had said, expressed that she is not considering contesting from the constituency again. But there were a lot of deliberations, but now the name seems to have been finalized. Details coming in that it could be a Vikramaditya versus Kangana contest in Mandi.
बिल्कुल, देखिए हिमाचल का ये जो चुनाव है, इसमें विधानसभा चुनाव के भी 6 जो राज्यसभा के वक्त कांग्रेस के जो विधायकों ने क्रॉस वोटिंग की थी, उन जगहों पर भी विधानसभा चुनाव होने हैं, उपचुनाव, और 4 लोकसभा के लिए सीईसी की इस बैठक में चर्चा हुई थी। 6 जो विधानसभा की उपचुनाव की जो सीटें थी, उस पर कहा जा रहा है कि जनरल सेक्रेटरी इंचार्ज उस पर फैसला लेंगे, उस पर भी डिस्कशन किया गया है। लेकिन 2 सीटें जो लोकसभा की है, खासकर मंडी सीट जिस पर सबकी नजर टिकी हुई थी, क्योंकि कंगना रनौत के आ जाने के बाद, बीजेपी की उम्मीदवार होने के बाद लगातार ये सवाल उठ रहे थे कि कांग्रेस पार्टी टक्कर में किस उम्मीदवार को सामने खड़ा करेगी। प्रतिभा सिंह क्योंकि मौजूदा सांसद है, और कहा जा रहा था कि क्या वो एक बार फिर चुनाव लड़ेंगे, लेकिन कांग्रेस ने एक युवा चेहरे पर दाव लगाया है। विक्रमादित्य जो है प्रतिभा सिंह के बेटे हैं, मौजूदा सरकार में मंत्री थे, और तमाम कंट्रोवर्सी के बाद उन्होंने भी अपने मंत्री पद से इस्तीफा दे दिया था। तो ये तमाम जो घटनाक्रम है, ये कहीं ना कहीं हिमाचल के जो विधानसभा चुनाव है उस पर भी निगाहें सबकी टिकी रहेंगी, क्योंकि जो 6 उपचुनाव है उसके नतीजे अगर बीजेपी के पक्ष में आए तो कांग्रेस की जो सरकार है, जो उत्तर भारत में एक इकलौती सरकार है, उस पर भी खतरा बना रहेगा। और यही वजह है कि आज सीईसी की बैठक में उन 6 सीटों पर भी चर्चा की गई जो विधानसभा की सीटें हैं। 2 लोकसभा की सीटों को क्लियर किया गया, जिसमें से एक विक्रमादित्य का नाम कहा जा रहा है, दूसरे कसौली से विधायक है, यानी दोनों विधायकों को कांग्रेस ने लोकसभा का उम्मीदवार बनाया है। विक्रमादित्य सिंह भी विधायक, और कसौली से जिनको टिकट दे रही है कांग्रेस पार्टी, जो कसौली के विधायक है, उनको शिमला से टिकट दिया जा रहा है। तो ये सीईसी में आज क्लियर हुआ है। बताया जा रहा है कि आज देर शाम तक, नहीं तो कल सुबह तक कांग्रेस अपनी लिस्ट भी जारी कर देगी।
Right.